Yo, what's up? It's the morning. We are headed to Thrashin.
We travel way up north.
Dude, the city is inside of my building right now, and I got roasted by them already. Make some noise, Southern California, what's up?
Welcome to our humble mode.
Yo, so today we're heading down to Thrashin's open house. It's their first one. They're gonna give away a bike. We're gonna stay in Moore Park, take a ride down the coast tomorrow probably. So yeah, stay tuned, this should be fun. Got the bike all dialed in. First road trip here, so me and the girl are gonna go. She's gonna ride 2 up. We adjusted the suspension, got that all going. We got some, let's take a look at what we got going on here. So we got the essential bags. We got like GoPro stuff loaded up over here. We got some tools over there. Yeah, so we got all our clothes and stuff in here. So this is our bag with clothes, toiletries, stuff like that. Works pretty good. Yeah, it straps onto the sissy bar really well. You can see it's got a strap going down here. It's got one across here and then one across the bottom here. And then it turns into a backpack. So got the Insta360 set up. It's a brisk 52 degrees. It's gonna be a cold one. We're gonna take the freeway all the way there. So
done out here. This lot is sketchy. We got Rams. And none of the bikes would get built without the main man, my dog, from Fueling Supply here. Make some noise for my dog out here one time. Here's what I'm getting at. A lot of people put a lot of hard work into building hard parts for our motorcycles, bolt-on and motor parts. And a lot of us love to go out there and burn it down, and some of us like to just go out there and cruise. And I just want to tell you guys from the bottom of all of our hearts, thank you guys so much for pulling up to Thrashin Supply's first annual open house. Thank you guys so much for pulling up here. I know the lines are long. I know that some, you know what? We didn't know. I don't know. You guys pulled up out here, so thank you guys again so much. My name is Joe Comedy, and guess what? We are not done burning it down with the East Coast and concrete cowboys in the back. We're gonna keep burning it down. Lance, do you have anything to say to the people? Go ahead.
One, I want to say thank you guys so much. Two, the city is inside of my building right now, and I got roasted by them already. So there's a lady in the back. There's a lady in the back who's super mad. There's some bikes in her parking lot. It's basically like right behind our building. The crew right here is gonna go back there and start pushing bikes out so we can keep this going.
Respectfully.
So if one of your bikes is back there, let's move it. We can move it on our property as much as possible or an illegal parking spot. We're going back there. If you want to follow us and help us move these bikes, let's go get this.
The city's inside. Check it out. The boys are gonna go move your bike. Don't get mad at them. I'm going back there to give Teresa a hug. That's what Joe Comedy's gonna do out here. Yo, what time is it? Somebody give me the time one time. What time is it, my buddy?
12 o'clock.
We still got 2 hours out here. Thrashin Supply, make some noise. Southern California, what's up?
All right, we're over here at the Fairfield Inn. What is it called? We're over here at the Fairfield Marriott in Moore Park after the Thrashin event, which was a complete crazy shit show. It was fun as hell. It was cool. They had a lot of support out there, but it was pretty unorganized. But anyways, yeah. Get in, got all checked in, got the bike all parked up right there.
It's nice. It's a one king.
Little sofa over here. Messy ass room. Got those snacks. What do we got? We got a microwave. It's got a whole roasted chicken inside. Coffee in the morning. It's probably disgusting.
Well, it's very not. Probably not.
Bathroom, pretty nice shower. It's tall enough for me. I like that. That's where the magic happens. Another TV.
Look at a nice view of the kitchen and bath center.
We're watching Master Chief. Protein style.
Bye, Flau.
In and out. Winner of the bike right there. He said he spent $210. We had so much stand-in today. It was ridiculous. We got there at 10, almost immediately filled up. 2,000 to 2,500 people there, at least. I mean, there could have even been 3,000. But it was insane. We went and seen the East Coasting guys do a little like stunts in the back. I got to meet one of them and bought one of their shirts. Then we went and waited in line for the bathroom. They only had 4 bathrooms for, 2,000 to 2,500 people. It was insane. And the Habit came. It almost sold out within like an hour. The taco truck was there for a while. We went and stood in line about 10:30 and we got shirts to where you get entered into the raffle when you buy a shirt. And it was about 1:38 when we finally got our shirts. So I didn't take much footage while we were there because I was standing in the same spot the entire time, basically. The lines were like forming everywhere where people wanted to, and they were just all merging into one. It was a shit show. But hey, I mean, for what they did, it was awesome. It was awesome to be there and be a part of it. Plus, Annie got to go on her first bike ride. That was my first time riding 2-up longer than 20 minutes. It was her first time on the freeway. It was balls ass cold too, at least for us Californians. By that I mean it was 58. But that was pretty cold. Anyways, we're about to nerd out, play some card games here, I'll show you. We are nerds. So we got this case that holds some games. So we got Star Wars Unlimited, which is, if you don't know what this is, it's like Magic the Gathering, but Star Wars themed. So we got 2 decks there to play that game. And then she is really into Disney, so we started playing Lorcana, which is a Disney version of it. Yeah, this box is really nice. So, for all my fellow nerds out there. And this got all our little counters and stuff, little pieces, $25. And it's super tough. Yeah. What was your favorite part?
I don't know, just seeing how like excited everyone was to be there, all 2,000 people, even though we were all just standing and not doing anything. I really like the band. I don't know, it was like my kind of music, but they played like a little bit of everything, which is pretty cool. It's nice to see Thrashin have so many like supporters, that are just so loyal.
We got to meet everybody.
Yeah.
We got to meet Two Lane Life. We got to meet East Coastin'. We got to meet Lance Corey's wife, but we didn't get to meet any of the Thrashin' people because they were like, some lady that is in the building behind him came and she was bitching. We were standing right there, so we seen it when she pulled up, and then she brought the city there and was yelling at him. So I think they were preoccupied with all that. Juan was hungover or something. He stayed up too late or something. You could tell too when he finally came out.
Who was your favorite person you met? I mean, I only met like 3 people, but...
Lance it was cool to meet the Two Lane Life guys.
Yeah,
We got to meet all 3 of them. I got a picture with them.
They were so cool. They were just like normal
I'll show the
dudes
picture.
chilling out.
But yeah, that was cool. Like these guys are so famous in the motorcycle world, but we were standing next to the Two Lane Life guys and they were just talking with their family for the longest time. Nobody said anything to them.
Yeah,
They were just walking around like normal.
What do you got?
I have Belgian waffle, the most important, and syrup and Canadian bacon. Decent potato.
We just finished up breakfast. It was all right. I mixed up my scrambled eggs with some tapatio cheese and Canadian bacon, mixed it all together. I'm on a keto diet right now, so doing this eating stuff is pretty hard. But anyways, it's still raining out there. I've never actually drove in the rain, so it's gonna be a whole new experience for me. Pretty sketchy, but we're gonna get some clam chowder later. I'm gonna break my keto diet. And yeah, I love clam chowder, so probably see a lot of that on this channel.
All right, we made it back. It was our first ride. We decided not to go to the coast. It just got nice out, but it was rainy and stuff like that, so we're gonna do that a different day. It was our first time riding 2-up. Our first time on the freeway. Our first time on our actual motorcycle ride, really, longer than 10 minutes. So just decided, I'm a new rider, so I just decided not to do it, but we'll do it a different time. All right, yeah, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. You want to see those future videos, future trips. There's a lot more to come. We're new, so got a lot to learn. All right.
Hey guys! Whoa, big gulps, huh? All right. Well, see you later.